Go.
Hello, RD Gang. It's Kaden here, Rihanna's video taping. And we are going to be doing the Sour Warhead Challenge. And this is like a delayed Christmas present.
To us, to me.
To you, to Rihanna. And she got a cat named Samson. Well, they call him Sammy.
He sleeps in my room.
He's a boy. And he's weird. Okay.
We're eating a sour warhead. It's colorful if you want to show them.
Colorful. I have to put both of these in my
No, you can just put one.
I'm going to say this. You cannot chew it. Bite it. That's going to be hard for me. I bite all my candy.
Okay. Now do me. Your hand's in the way.
Sorry about that. Okay, I'm just going to break it smaller because I can't put this in my mouth. It's colorful. It's really not that sour when you put it in. Come here.
Show her room.
Hey guys. There's dairy in here. We're eating these. We're eating sour warheads.
Oh, I had those. Sour? They make bigger ones, you know that, right? Like, they make, like, thick ones, like this thick.
Anybody want these?
I'm good. Got any snacks? Yeah, can you go to Boston get bigger?
Look, where's Samson? Kitty. Kitty. I should have paused this.
Where is he?
We lost my cat. Okay, videotape me. Hold the camera, I'll look for him. We're looking for a cat. He might have got out when we opened the door. My cat. It's on.
Oh, sorry guys. He ran out of my room because he usually leave the door shut. So he ran out. We found him in our parents' room. I'm very sorry, guys. Okay. I'm on the sour part. It's more like...
Okay, now it's my turn.
It's sweet and sour. It's weird.
Okay, come.
Pretty good.
I'm going to put my
thing that I thought it was. I told you guys I can never just swallow it. Sammy just tried to jump on me. So,
it's sour. Mm.
So it wasn't sour to me. It was kind of sweet.
Yeah, because you didn't get to the white part.
Now I'm going to be putting this in my mouth. Really like oyster.
Sounds really sour. We may be taking you guys on a trip to Flying Squirrel. We're not sure yet. Because we may not be able to take you. But if we do, on Saturday I think we're going for Kane's birthday party.
Yuck. Yucky, try to hug me.
And, okay.
Okay, now.
Okay, wait, hold it.
It's kind of hard. Samson, get off of her. Hey, why are you showing them my room?
TMI, people, TMI. Okay. Oh, on Friday, we're going to be doing the Bean Boozled challenge because I'm getting that big tin. Like that big of a tin with the spinner. It's really big. Okay.
Now, the question of the day is...
Wait, the question of the day is...
Straight or curly hair?
No. Do you have...
Cat or dog?
No, do you have a cat? And if you do, how many? And if you don't, then that sucks. Then just say 0.
Here's her cat.
I have 2 and 2 dogs.
Wait.
Okay, sorry about that, guys.
They can't even see you. They can only see you.
Comment down below because we want to know. Question of the day is, How
Do
many
you have a cat?
and
how
and
many? And
I have
if you don't-
2. She is 0.
Yeah, but I have one of my aunts.
Okay.
Ow!
RD production out.
Ow!
Okay.
Stop biting me. He's funny. Okay, what do you want to play?
I'm still videotaping.
Oh, bye, guys.
Ta. She didn't know. Videotape. It's cat. Time for the cat of the week. Oh, he's under my bed.
Come on.
He's afraid of the camera. Okay, so like I said before, RD production RD production out. Peace out, y'all. Get the last beauty pictures.
Okay, what do you want to play? I made the kitty come.
Bye, guys.